Documents and a letter trail with Times Now show that the Gujarat government has asked the centre to take action against NGOs and a media company run by activist Teesta Setalvad. The Gujarat government has also directly accused the globally influential American NGO, the Ford Foundation, which has funded Teesta Setalvad's NGO as well as a media company.
उसका जो रिपोर्ट मंगवाया था उन्होंने, उस रिपोर्ट में यह पता चला कि उसी रकम का खर्चा गुजरात सरकार के खिलाफ किया गया है और देश को दुनिया में प्रतिष्ठा न मिले ऐसी बातों के लिए उस पैसों का खर्च हुआ है। ऐसी सब बातें, कम्युनल हार्मोनी को नुकसान पहुंचे इसके लिए वो पैसे खर्च किए गए हैं। ये सब बातें इस रिपोर्ट में ध्यान में आई और इसीलिए हमने उस रिपोर्ट को केंद्र सरकार में राज्य सरकार के गृह विभाग द्वारा भेजा है।
सर, ये घोटाला कितने करोड़ का था? कोई अंदाजा
निश्चित वैसे फोर्ड का जो फोर्ड फाउंडेशन है, उन्होंने जो रकम दी थी वो शायद $5,00,000 से ज्यादा रकम दी है, ऐसी बात है।
सर, क्या हाई अलर्ट अभी घोषित किया गया है? जो आईबी का रिपोर्ट है उसके बाद गुजरात में क्या हाल होगा?
आईबी का जो हाई अलर्ट उन्होंने घोषित किया, इसके बाद गुजरात में भी सभी स्थानों पर तकेदारी के लिए हमने बात की है और हम गुजरात की जनता को भी रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि ऐसी बातों में पुलिस को सहकार करें और कुल मिला के आतंकवाद के सामने लड़ने के लिए जो मानसिकता सबके मन में है उसके लिए उनको सपोर्ट करें।
रिपोर्ट कार्रवाई टीस्टा के खिलाफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट तक चली जाएगी या अपनी ओर से कोई एक्शन लिए जाएंगे?
वो तो राज्य सरकार के परिव्यू में नहीं आता है, तो केंद्र सरकार तय करेगी कि क्या एक्शन लेना है, तो वो बात तो केंद्र सरकार देखेगी। हमने रिपोर्ट भेजा,
जो रिपोर्ट भेजा गया उसमें ये भी बात आ रही है कि जिस तरह की प्रवृत्ति बाहर की गई है गुजरात सरकार को मतलब बदनाम करने की, देश की प्रतिष्ठा को, तो क्या इन पर देशद्रोही जैसी कोई कलमें लगाने की रिपोर्ट में बात की गई है? सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट से ये मांग की गई है?
मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ कि उस प्रवृत्तियों जो उन्होंने की है प्रवृत्तियां, उसका जो परिव्यू है वो केंद्र सरकार के अंदर आता है, तो हमने टोटल रिपोर्ट करके वहाँ पे सबमिट किया है। अब एक्शन क्या लेना है, कैसे लेना है, वो केंद्र सरकार तय करेगी।
सर, समुद्री सुरक्षा के लिए खास क्या प्रावधान किया?
समुद्री सुरक्षा के लिए तो खास करके गुजरात में 1600 किलोमीटर का दरिया किनारा है, तो केंद्र सरकार की ओर से तो कड़े कदम उठाए जा रहे हैं। साथ ही में गुजरात की सरकार की ओर से भी जो कोस्टल सिक्योरिटी और नए मरीन पुलिस स्टेशन की जो शुरुआत हमने की है उसको हम आगे बढ़ाएंगे।
बुटलेगरों ने एक पुलिस वाले को मार दिया,
कुछ एक्शन लेंगे सर?
काफी दिनों के कुछ
बिल्कुल एक्शन लेंगे। उस वक्त उसी बुटलेगर के ऊपर 307 लगाई गई थी और जब ये पीएसआई का देहांत हुआ तो इसके बाद उसके ऊपर 302 लगाई गई है। प्रोहिबिशन का भी गुना उसके ऊपर रखा गया है और कड़ी से कड़ी कार्यवाही हम उसके ऊपर करेंगे।
सत्ताकांड में कोई आईपीएस अफसर की मिलीभगत की मामले में क्या हमने कोई कमेटी बनाने की कोई
अभी वो कमेटी नहीं बनाई, इसके बारे में हम
सर, नगर निगम वाली जो स्कूल है उसमें सर प्लीज
Well, Megha Prasad is joining me on the phone line with more details on this. Megha, as far as the Gujarat government is concerned, they seem pretty firm even now to act against her, despite the fact that she's denied all these allegations.
Sorry, can you repeat your question?
Megha, I was saying we were just listening to a reaction that was coming in from Rajni Patel, the State Home Minister, saying over there that they are determined to act against Teesta Setalvad, even though at the moment Teesta has been denying all these allegations, saying that she is cooperating.
Well, there are obviously the government of Gujarat and the Ahmedabad crime branch that is investigating into the case of embezzlement of funds by Teesta and her alleged embezzlement of funds by Teesta and her NGO. They have a different version of the story, of course, and Teesta has a very different version of what is going on. And she says, and this is her response, on and off, whenever one has spoken to her about this particular case update and the ongoing investigation is that she has provided all possible details, all possible evidences, all records, all documents that were sought for by the investigative agency. There's nothing more that she needs to give to them. She's completely and fully cooperating with the investigative agency. Now, that's her version. That has been her version all along, and also with people who are, sympathetic towards her. But on the other hand, the Ahmedabad Crime Branch has an absolutely different take on the entire investigation. They tell us, even till last evening, I was told that there are documents pertaining to the funds, the edited accounts of Teesta, one of the companies that has still not been furnished. So, of course, when Ahmedabad Crime Branch is concerned or Gujarat government is concerned, they have reasons to believe that Teesta has not been cooperating at any level, and that she has been, trying to put impediments in the way of the investigation.
Stay with us, Megha. At the moment, we also have a reaction that's coming in from Teesta Setalvad, where she's in fact said that it is sinister to say that she's not cooperating.
Gujarat government's letter to the Ministry for Home Affairs. We received a letter from the Ministry for Home Affairs FCRA department, and a 4-member FCRA inspection team headed by a deputy secretary came to our offices in Bombay and were here for 1 whole week. For 6 days they inspected our records. We have provided them full cooperation, and now they will decide what to do. In our view, there have been no violations at all. But what is very, very sinister is a vicious campaign to say that we are not cooperating with the law and order machinery. We believe in the law of the land. We have cooperated with the Gujarat government, and we have also cooperated with the Ministry for Home Affairs.
On a principle, any organization, non-governmental organization, voluntary organization, if they are getting funds and using it for the correct purpose, and they are entitled to then give all those disclosures and details to the government. If anyone does not do that, or is doing activities which are not in sync with what their stated objectives are, then certainly there could be matters of investigation by whatever organization needs to see so. So there is no political issue on this at all. These are issues about compliance, about transparency, and about working in direction in the larger interest of the country. And anyone who transcends any of these three has to be answerable in some way or the other.
The fact that the Supreme Court also had taken a call on Teesta Setalvad, and before that the other courts have also taken a call on Teesta Setalvad, saying that she has been misappropriating the funds that she received for causes other than personal use. She had collected funds for the people who had suffered during the riot, but the irony is she spent it on petty things as personal use, and that's the reason as to why when the Gujarat police has some documents, some proofs to say that Teesta Setalvad had erred at various counts, definitely there has to be truth in it, and we all should wait for these material evidences to come to the public fore.